Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short, guided meditation you can do anytime you feel like your mind is scattered and full of thoughts. You might imagine this like you're closing down all the open windows of your mind and pushing a mental reset button. To begin, find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to blink closed. Now take in 2 sips of air through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again. One more. Now allow your lips to come together and just follow the natural rhythm of your breath. Feeling how your body expands as you inhale and how it softens and releases as you exhale. Just letting go. Now soften all the little micro muscles around the eyes. Relax your forehead, your jaw, and your shoulders, melting them down. Feeling your whole body softening, releasing, just letting go. Now notice any thoughts swirling around in your mind, any worries, any fears, any to-do lists. Just notice what thoughts might be there with no judgments, no analyzing. Follow the breath in as you inhale. Feel the air swirling around in your mind, behind the eyes and the forehead. And then imagine the breath carrying the thought out as you exhale. Continue like this, letting your breath swirl in your mind as you inhale, gathering any thoughts, and letting the breath carry them out as you exhale. A few more rounds, just like this. Now let it go, feeling your whole head spacious, light, clear, your mind free and wide open like a vast blue sky, basking here in this feeling of spaciousness for a few more moments. And take a moment to notice any shifts, any benefits after this short practice. And might you set an intention to carry any of these benefits with you into the rest of your day? And it's time now to come fully back into your body. feeling calm, spacious, and bright. Slowly starting to awaken the body, making little movements through your fingers, your toes, taking your time. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I love hearing from all of you. If you have time, please let me know in the comments how you feel after this short practice. I release a new video every Tuesday, so please consider subscribing to my channel and come back to this practice anytime you feel like you need a mental reset. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.